water, believe me.
Can I do this?
I just want to get the puddle that's spraying toward the TV.
Can I do it?
Ugh. You want me to take this to the bathroom and pour it out and down the toilet?
No.
See, you just splashed more water. You gotta use both hands. Okay.
Suck up that water.
Oh, you plug the TV back in? I don't want to
Okay.
take the strip and put it up on the thing there. I'll do it.
Why does it sound like pee? Oh, I'm gonna watch something else. The thing is in it.
Here.
Hey, come on!
Let him do it. You've already done it as you told us 15 times.
Let go.
I want
Squeeze
to
it.
do it.
Let go. Move your fingers.
You're a boy. Come on! Gimme! Wait, does that push the water back? Does that push the water? Does that push the water back, Daddy? Oh. So it sucks it up.
Yep, it gets down.
Why is there a thing you clean with the dishes on there, on the bottom?
A sponge.
Give me. Can I? No, bird. I'm gonna go say something.
Really water, too. No. Where? On TV?
I'm glad it's not leaking back there. Well, I'm
Because
glad it
I'm
happened.
trying to do.
You checked the closets? I checked all the closets. Nothing leaking in there.
Trying to do a.
I think there's a sump pump in there for some reason. In one of those holes. I gotta get the thing to screw it off.
Give
That
me
thing that
it.
goes in, the tool.
Give me it.
Here, let me get this out.
Can you find a kid's one? Because can I have it?
Personally, I think we should put some towels on the
Gimme.
floor because
Gimme.
I don't want the water just
Daddy.
creeping up to the TV or to these couches.
Come on.
I understand.
Okay.
I'm gonna step on this water. Give me it. I'm gonna have
Okay,
to.
I gotta run and get this stuff, honey.
Give me this.
What's
The stuff that you pour, it's a powder. And the store didn't have any up here, so I stopped by there, and you pour it in, like right where it's leaking, it's coming through the foundation there, and what happens is, when the water hits it, it push.
So where are you going, Menards?
Home Depot. Oh, Menards. I'll go to Menards and get it.
Can you get some e-cigarette filters? I will give you cash.
Yeah, I'll get some e-cigarette.
You haven't seen mine, have you? My blue one?
Your blue what?
E-cigarette. Somewhere in the house.
No.
You want the cash?
No, I'll need you to get 2 lanes back.
Okay.
Let me go get the stuff first. Jacob, there's not any chicken left. Grayson cleaned out about 6 chicken wings.
What? Wait, I hate chicken. I don't really eat it that much. Don't you eat all my cookies, Grayson?
Yeah, just don't mop in here with that.
Why?
This
This is the
stuff is too
paint.
dirty and it's the paint. Yeah, it's gonna rub it right off the ground.
Can you get another mop?
And I'm gonna pull this
No.
out. And I'm gonna try to dry that. It's gonna keep coming in back there because I went around there. That whole corner here, I gotta put plastic, put a bunch of that debris back there and then put the plastic on top and put it right to the house and put rocks on top of it. So that's gonna be like a
Why
rock
would you
bed
put
right
rocks
there.
on it?
Then it should stop leaking. It won't come in the house once you get the plastic down.
Where's the
rocks on top of
leaking
it.
coming from?
It's coming from
All
outside.
the snow is melting.
Here?
Yeah, that's one place it's coming from.
Why is it coming around to the
Suck up this place.
It's coming from right
it
there.
up.
It's coming right out of that hole.
Yep,
where the blue
it's
tape
coming
is.
from
It
here.
looks like they even marked it, okay? That's right where it's coming from, where that blue tape is, right out. It's oozing. It's
Okay.
just oozing out. And I sprayed the whole wall with the sealant, but there's nothing coming out of the wall there. It's coming from behind.
You know that this closet door won't close anymore in the
Why?
bathroom?
Fine.
I think it's work from the water. The guy said he also thought the vanity was work. So I think they're gonna make
Yeah.
Twerking. I'm twerking.
See that?
Oh yeah, it's work.
Yeah. So
water went in, look, you can tell.
Where the water went in?
Where the water went in out here, it's swollen all the wood up right there. See how it's swelled up? It's soaked up all, move back. It's soaked up. Turn the light
He's doing a
on.
video.
What the fuck?
Turn the light on. Turn the light on.
He's doing a YouTube video. Okay, go ahead.
It sucked up all the water
Oh,
right
so
there
that
and made the
got
wood
too
fat.
fat.
Yeah,
Oh.
it got fat. See? That's where it's stopping right there. If I shave that off, it would close. But
I'm gonna go suck up some of this.
we can close it now. Maybe it will like
And
squeeze
then
it.
like, oh, the car alarm's never come off.
Yeah.
Wash it, wash it, wash.
You probably saw that too.
I'm sure. And he solved it. I
Yeah.
think they're gonna talk about replacing that.
Yeah.
I'm just
You
twitching.
tell about the carpet and you looked at the video on to see a piece of the carpet?
Well, the carpet's on the stairs.
Yeah.
So I told him that was.
So I'm glad it's not leaking here and I look back here.
How did?
Jacob, get in front of the TV. It's wet.
I was worried about it leaking back here,
What?
but it's not. It's dry. It's dry. It's back here.
Oh yeah, you don't want to have your hair color.
The water's almost gone. Hey!
I don't know. I see a water main in there. I don't see a gas shut off. I see a gas shut off in another place.
Daddy, do not use this here.
Yeah, don't get this wet. This is dry. We want to keep this dry over here. So I got that little bit of area back over there.
What is this?
No, don't do the red. Stay over there in the
Well,
gray.
the thing about that, Jacob, is there's paint over there, and it's just gonna make a big mess.
Why don't you turn
Okay.
mommy's phone off so you don't wear down her battery?
Come on, it's relax. It's okay.
Hey, look, there's no water left.
Yeah, you did good. Can you pour that in
There's no water.
down the toilet? For now. Daddy just cleaned it out like half an hour ago, and it filled up again. Hey, did you see this is all coming apart?
Yeah, water.
I don't know if it's water. I mean,
Water cannot break
the
stuff.
nails.
Only like when the water's going in somewhere and then
Water cannot break stuff.
snap.
Nails came out here. Do you know how to like slide them back in? Can you take a quick look at it? Just right here. The nails came out.
Yeah.
You have to put screws.